Hi, I'm Selena. You guys know me from Beyond Salute. You see me in my hair when I'm mostly sleeping on the bed, so you might not be able to hear me. I would show you my room, but my room is a total disaster. I saw this girl on the webcam. She looks so cool. You will see my puppy dog. It's not real, but it's a stuff. I need your puppy. Okay, good. So yeah, I have this book. It's called Bacon Street Girls. It's so weird. I'm not going to show you guys the stuff in my backpack because I'll be like a total stalker. I'm joking. JK. This is my backpack. It's a lot of stuff, but it's a jam for it. I read this book called Franny Case Time. Please. I did so. Hey, if you ever like hold a hamster, look at this hamster. Look at this cute hamster book. What? Look at this cute. Hold on. Look at the little cute hamster. No, I don't want. They don't want to see your ugly face, so that's off. See a little cute hamster right there? Isn't it so cute? Yeah, look at us and then with the free. There, can you see? It's so cute, huh? And then I got this book. Sorry, man. Dude, look at this. This is so creepy. So creepy. If you read it online, you get all creeped out. It's called Goosebumps. The Night of the Living Dummy 3. And then I got this other one called Franny K. Stein. She's a mad scientist. So freaking awesome. She has other books, but I really want to get them. Oh, I made like a stupid speech today for like class representative, and guess what? The stupid my friend Alicia, she won me. I mean, come on. Everyone knows I need to win. Okay. I'm sorry. I don't know what to talk about. I'm so bored. Oh, for school, I got these really cute things. They're called Bobs. Look. These are so freaking cute. They're called Bobs. See? It says the label right there. See? Bobs. Wait. Have you guys seen Kara Q? On Kara Q, have you heard the phone scam? Mr. Bob Davalina? That's where I got these. To represent. Wait. How do I show this? Bob, what up? But yeah, I'm pretty bored. You wanna see my puppy dog again? Wait. You wanna see more? It's gotta be really cool. He's more blood. Meantime, I'm showing her. Where is she? She's right there. She's really, well, see her legs. She's very cute. I can show you guys right now. You guys see, well, once again, I am from Mia and he's from Mia. Oh, look, he's over there. Oh, crap. Do this. Isn't that so freaking cute? Look at the design. I think it goes on your pinky. See? And I'm not just doing this for all my haters out there. What up? This is a video by Barbie Girl. I don't know much. Yeah. Pretty much. Bye, suckers. Well, no, not only that suckers, but I love all my people. Don't be a total stalker. Guess what? I have a phone. I'm not gonna tell you my number. Hey, remember that one video where I told that guy? I told you guys like there's this guy named Toby, but he's black. I don't know. He probably doesn't even remember me. So I'm not gonna do that. There's serious? There's a new guy that this new guy that likes me. His name is Jose. He's so, oh, yeah. I don't even want to talk about my house, but I don't like him. I like this guy. His name is Jacob. So Jacob Caballero out there, woo, sexy. Sucker, peace out. Let's see.